नए नए रंग पीबीए के साथ देखते रहिए पाक ब्रिटिश आर्ट चैनल। कीप वॉचिंग पीबीए ऑन यूट्यूब। लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब।
हम आपके साथ हाजिर हैं पीबीए बैठक 4 के साथ। आज हम कानूनी मशावरत पे बात करेंगे और हमारी हमेशा से कोशिश रही है कि हम अपने मंशूर के मुताबिक पाक ब्रिटिश आर्ट्स के मकासद को सामने रखते हुए प्रोग्राम्स को करें। तो हमने थोड़ा सा खामोश किया हुआ था, कानूनी मशावरत पे कोई प्रोग्राम नहीं किया था, तो हमने सोचा क्यों ना इस पे किया जाए। तो आप सबके लिए ये बड़ी खुशी की बात होगी कि हम ना सिर्फ ये यूके में करेंगे बल्कि यूरोप में, यूएई में और पाकिस्तान में भी इंशाल्लाह इस तरह के प्रोग्राम्स होंगे। तो सबसे पहले मैं तारुफ कराना चाहूँगा कि हमारे साथ आज दो मेहमान हमारे साथ शामिल हैं जो पहले हिस्से में और दो में दूसरे हिस्से में होंगे। तो पहले हिस्से में हम इंग्लिश में गुफ्तगू करेंगे और दूसरे हिस्से में उर्दू में। तो सबसे पहले मेहमान है हमारे साथ मार्क एंथनी। You are welcome in our program.
Thank you.
He is LLB, LLM and called to the bar 2012 and former magistrate board member. So he is welcome in our program and we will discuss so many things with him. Second guest is Amona Anthony. Welcome. So she is LLB Honors, Senior Case Worker and member of Charter Institute of Legal Executive. So first of all, I would start from Madam Amona because she has come from Ashwood Solicitors. So Ashwood Solicitor is a law firm which is providing different services in Manchester and other cities also. So we will discuss with her that firstly to introduce the Ashwood Solicitors and the meanings of what are the meanings of Ashwood Solicitors?
Ashwood means it's the name of a special wood which when it burns bring very good essence and prosperity and commitments to the people. So that's
to the people, not the law firm.
To the law firm as well,
okay,
of course.
Okay,
yeah,
okay,
to the law firm as well.
Okay, so can you introduce Ashwood Solicitors, what they are doing?
Yeah, at Ashwood Solicitors, there are a lot of services that we provide. We have a personal injury department, we have a housing department, and we also have an immigration department, which deals with private cases and also legal aid matters.
Very nice. And you are dealing with?
I deal with private cases relating to immigration matters.
You are making yourself money, yeah? Private, what do you mean by private?
No, when I say private, that means we charge our clients for the representation or applications.
And immigration cases also you are dealing, yeah?
Yes, I do. My area of specialty is immigration. My area of specialty is 99%, I would say 100% immigration.
Okay, very nice. We will ask some questions about immigration, but before asking you another question, we are coming to Mark Anthony.